Untuk pertama kalinya dalam 30 tahun, Shamrock Christmas Tree Farm dekat Long Island, New York, harus menutup kegiatan usahanya selama musim belanja pohon Natal November dan Desember. Pemilik toko ini, pasangan Joe dan Kathy Shipman, dengan berat hati mengambil keputusan ini karena kurangnya pasokan cemara jenis Fraser yang paling laku keras sebagai pohon Natal.
We didn't want to open just partial and have people come in and be disappointed. We felt the right decision was to close the farm this year, let the field get a little bit bigger, give us time to source some trees for next year.
Beragam faktor berada di balik keterbatasan ini, mulai kekeringan di sejumlah wilayah Amerika Serikat hingga kebakaran hutan di Kanada.
These bins would be full with trees, various sizes, and you can see there are no trees here.
Meski mengakui ada keterbatasan stok di beberapa wilayah AS, sebuah asosiasi produsen pohon hidup tebangan untuk pohon Natal mengatakan pasokan pohon secara umum tahun ini mencukupi.
There's nothing more frustrating to a farm or retail location than they don't have the inventory that they want or need for a season. However, it really is not the story nationwide, and we have a good supply of trees.
Analis mencermati meski tidak berlimpah, pohon cemara untuk pohon Natal tahun ini memang relatif tersedia.
We're still going to have a tight amount of trees, meaning a limited number, but there still should be a tree for everybody. A little bit better probably than last year, but you have to remember that these trees you buy this year were planted in either 2008 up to 2015. So we don't grow ourselves out of those shortages very quickly.
Sementara harga meningkat dibandingkan tahun lalu. Meski kenaikan kali ini tak sedrastis tahun-tahun sebelumnya saat darurat pandemi COVID.
So I know last year costs were a real concern for people. I believe that from what I'm seeing coming through on market reports is that the trees are probably going to be similar prices to last year. Now you're always going to have differences. More quality, higher quality trees are going to cost you a little more versus something maybe more like a Charlie Brown tree that maybe doesn't look as perfect, will probably cost a little less. But it looks like the prices have moderated this year.
Menurut The Real Christmas Tree Board, rata-rata harga pohon cemara di AS tahun ini mencapai kisaran $80. Menurut berbagai survei, mayoritas warga Amerika Serikat yang merayakan Natal menggunakan pohon artifisial atau pohon tiruan untuk menghiasi rumah mereka menjelang Natal. Dan hanya sekitar 17% menurut Morning Consult, sebuah konsultan yang setiap tahunnya membeli pohon Natal baru dari pohon cemara tebangan. Dan mereka inilah yang paling terdampak oleh naik turunnya harga cemara. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.